Located in the Avon Crest North neighborhood within the Niskayuna School District is 44 Dublin Drive. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial on almost a half-acre of land with a tree-lined backyard, in-ground pool, wood deck, and a 3-season room that offers quick access to both the kitchen and the backyard. As you enter this 2,700-plus square foot home, the living room is to the left with a formal dining room to the right. Just past the stairs leading to the second floor, you'll enter the 2-story family room with a gas fireplace, a sliding glass door for easy access to the backyard, pool, and deck. Open to the family room area is the gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, backsplash, double-wall ovens, an eat-in area with sliders to the 3-season room. Completing the first level of the home is a half-bath with granite countertops, a mudroom with access to the garage, and a first-floor master bedroom. The master bedroom features 2 large windows that allow for natural sunlight to fill the room, a master bathroom with a jetted tub, double sinks with granite countertops, and a rainfall shower. The finished lower level features carpeted floors, an office area with double doors and closets, a second family room or play area for the kids, and a laundry room. Completing 44 Dublin Drive is the second floor with 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and an open hallway that overlooks both the front foyer and the family room. To schedule a private showing of 44 Dublin Drive in Niskayuna, New York, please contact Carolyn Luke of Coldwell Banker Prime Properties at 518-466-3679.